I want to show you now the sketch that one of our artists did in Tavel, France. She sat outside the Prieure de Montezargues. The vineyards and all were just gorgeous, and she did this sketch. And she is here in art class today, and she is doing an interpretation of her painting. So I'm going to move around over here and show you her setup, because she's a talented girl. And so now you can see her sketch, and this is her photograph on her iPad. She's doing a bang-up job, so we move from there to here. And she's working in acrylics today, so there are her brushes, and she is laying in her main areas. You know, you work from general to specific. So these are her paints today. She's working with the Galleria brand and having a wonderful time. Welcome back, my dear. She's nodding. She's not going to talk to us. Bye now. Has been in art class today and has brought new colors onto her canvas, and right now we've just been discussing that the value of her two cypress trees they don't have any fringe the same value. So as she continues to work on it, she will be, can we change this back to no, we'll get there.
Sort of there, but maybe
that one. Yeah. Okay, so as you see here, she's going to have some darker shadows that are going to be under the roof line. She's going to have some darks that will go into the portal opening, and then probably she may let some of these trees overhang, but that'll be the final thing that she will do. So she's going to bring this to class next week, I hope, and give some more dark values to the painting, and that will give a development toward more three-dimensionality. So she's had a good day, and we've had a wonderful time today. To be continued. Bye now. Art class painter Lulu has worked some more on her Prieure de Montezargues today. She's almost through, and she will add the gate over this when it has cured just a little bit more. She added some steps in the distance, and so nice job, kiddo, and it's been fun.